What is meal planning, and why does it save money?
Meal planning is simply deciding in advance what you'll eat for the week. It helps save money by reducing last-minute takeout, preventing food waste, and making grocery shopping more efficient. By planning ahead, you can use ingredients in multiple recipes and take advantage of sales, all while ensuring your meals stay healthy and budget-friendly.
How do I start meal planning with a small budget?
Start by setting a weekly food budget and taking inventory of what's already in your pantry. Choose simple, affordable recipes that use similar ingredients. Plan meals around lower-cost staples like rice, beans, eggs, and seasonal produce. Write out a meal schedule for the week, focusing on filling, nutritious meals you know your household will eat.
What are the best tips for affordable grocery shopping?
Make a grocery list based on your meal plan and stick to it. Shop sales, use coupons, and consider generic brands for staples. Buy foods in bulk when practical, and focus on whole foods rather than processed items. Shopping with a list prevents impulse buys and makes it easier to manage costs.
How can I make meal prep easy and time-saving?
Set aside some time each week, like Sunday afternoon, for meal prep. Cook large batches of staples, such as grains, beans, or roasted vegetables. Then store them in the fridge for easy assembly. Pre-chop veggies or portion snacks in advance. Simple routines like these can save both time and money.
What are some healthy yet affordable meal ideas?
Some budget-friendly healthy meals include vegetable stir-fries, lentil soups, chili, rice and beans, or sheet pan roasted chicken with veggies. Egg-based dishes, like omelets or frittatas, are filling and inexpensive. Rotating a few reliable recipes each week makes meal planning and shopping even easier.